Good morning, guys, and thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush here. In today's video, we're heading to an event in Huntington Beach called Cars and Copters. I'm going to take you guys along. This is my first time going to this event. Apparently it's going to be a whole bunch of supercars and exotics and a bunch of very cool cars and helicopters. So I've never really been to an event like this one before, so I'm very curious to check it out, see how it is. I mean, how do they get a helicopter by the beach and land it? I don't know, but we're gonna go and check it out and see how the turnout is. But I hear that it's a really, really good turnout, so I'm excited to see how this thing goes. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's an extremely hot day in SoCal. It is currently like 83 degrees as I'm driving right now, so definitely feeling the heat right now. Guys, I'm at the event now. Had to park so far away because there's no parking anywhere, and just like I expected, there's a ton of people here, and that's kind of what happens. The weather is really, really nice, so a lot of people come out, and I've already seen a ton of cars just driving around trying to find parking, like nice cars, Beamers, Mustangs, Audis, you know, just a whole bunch of Challengers too. I think recognize a few people that I have on Instagram, so it's should be a good time here. So they said it here, guys, cars and helicopters, and this is the first helicopter we're seeing.
Brand new one though.
And there's another one. See it, this is a Callaway Corvette, which means it has this extended top on the top here. Not sure if I like the look, to be honest. It looks kind of strange to me. Maybe because I'm not used to it, but Look how wide the tires are. You have the header video. This has got to be the longest car I've ever seen. I mean, look at like a normal Aston Martin next to it, and then look at this. I'm gonna show you side by side. So, Aston Martin over there ends like right here. This one is like extended all the way back in there.
Man, these guys are ridiculous.
Lines up to see the two-step. That's a 1,000 horsepower car right there. Okay guys, okay, check this place out. A lot of cool cars. It's so hot though, so I'm gonna get going. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a big like on it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.